I am here in light of my application to gain the chairmanship of the constituency and as such become the candidate MP in the next general election. Ever since starting university, I've been very active politically. I've also been very active in government, in the private sector and so on, and I believe we have a whole lot more to contribute for the development of North Central St. Andrew. I'm very pleased with the outpouring of support from the delegates, the workers and the constituents of North Central St. Andrew, who are very happy about the fact that I could possibly take on what Carl Samuda has accomplished as a Member of Parliament. He has a remarkable and strong foundation laid here in the constituency. He's also a national icon who has been very active in the constituency, very active in our country's development, and that's something that we're absolutely proud of. We want this constituency, which is at the north central portion of the Kingston metropolitan area, to become a model constituency when it comes to mentorship of the young people, when it comes to training, when it comes to education. I have very good skills when it comes to public-private collaboration, and I believe I can harness that public-private collaborative effort to address some of the problems that I'm seeing here in this community and many other communities across the constituency. I'm also very keen on modernization projects, on beautification projects, ensuring the place is enhanced. I'm also very keen on Manor Park being a beautiful commercial hub, restore it to its former glory of sorts, but also make it even better. And a significant raft of other initiatives that I'm going to do, but with consultation, with discussion with constituents, with discussion with the young people of the area who have a number of ideas that we need to pilot. Another major initiative that I intend to execute and I've already started is micro business support. A number of the persons here are small entrepreneurs. They're very passionate about their businesses, and I believe they must be supported from a financial point of view, but also a technical and skills building point of view, and that's something we're very focused on.